natural disasters, the YAHOVIAH wrath, the JAHOVIAH, Jehovah's wrath, Allah's wrath. Natural disasters of Mother Nature within Abba's creation.
A strong wind blew away almost everything in its path.
Signet Mecca. 2 months ago. Over
You
2
can go to
months ago.
Granger.com to find.
Big update coming in, remember?
Yes.
Israel had spoken about the ground offensive, the troops
Massive thunderstorm that passed through Tel Aviv, the Israeli state, this past week and a half, delaying the Israeli forces or the Zionist military forces from invading more of the Gaza Strip, other parts of Palestine.
The ground offensive was to start
severe flooding in areas across Tel Aviv. Emergency services reported that a man and woman had drowned after getting trapped in a flooded elevator. Drivers were called in to assist in the rescue efforts. Meanwhile, vehicles were swept along streets by torrents of water, forcing several road closures.
Christian church steeple burned up. Natural element, fire.
And there, when you got those spaceships, read, thou shalt serve other gods. What did they teach you? When you got these spaceships, they taught you this. They gave you white Jesus. Guess what? When you was in Saudi Arabia, you got the spaceships. What they teach you? Islam. Ah.
Black News Tonight. 3,000 strong African Hebrew Israelites have been calling the state of Israel home since 1969. But there remains an ongoing push to deport them in gradual steps. A recent report by the Times of Israel reveals that last Thursday, the Interior Ministry's Population and Immigration Authority has sent 51 members of the Hebrew Israelites letters ordering them to leave by September 23rd. And these
Shortly after that,
Strikes an Israeli religious festival with dozens killed in a stampede. And social media used the
this was
fuel
over
Arab
2
unrest in
years ago.
Jerusalem and elsewhere in Israel.
In this time of judgment, we all get to see the light. Did you know that Gaza was called Gaza? No, ancient place that's called Gaza was given by Shlomo HaMelech, by Nagu Solomon, by King Solomon of ancient Israel, to the Queen of the South.
Oh, we have to know that they of Israel, and they are not. Oh, we have to know that they do, and they are not. But they shall be cast away, like the shadow of the wind, driven away, I say.